the Great Attractor, the monster in the depths of space, pulling our galaxy. In the vast expanse of space beyond the familiar stars and galaxies lies a cosmic enigma known as the Great Attractor. This mysterious entity, hidden within the murky depths of space, has captivated the minds of astronomers and astrophysicists for decades. But what exactly is this Great Attractor? Is it a colossal threat looming in the distance, pulling galaxies, including our own Milky Way galaxies, towards it? Or is it merely a misunderstood phenomenon shrouded in unknown reaches of the universe? The discovery of the Great Attractor? The story of the Great Attractor begins in the 1970s, when astronomers first noticed an unusual pattern in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the faint afterglow left over from the Big Bang. This CMB, which is essentially the universe's oldest light, revealed a slight temperature variation across the sky. Although minuscule, less than 1/100th of a degree Fahrenheit, this variation hinted that the Milky Way was moving through space at an impressive speed of about 370 miles per second. This motion suggested the presence of a powerful gravitational force in the direction of the constellation Centaurus, a force that became known as the Great Attractor. The zone of avoidance, a cosmic blind spot. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Great Attractor is its location in the so-called zone of avoidance. This term, coined by astronomers, refers to a region of the sky obscured by the dense disk of our Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way's thick layers of gas, dust, and stars block our view of the universe behind it, making it difficult to observe objects in this direction using traditional optical telescopes. The cosmic blind spot has made studying the Great Attractor particularly challenging. For years, the true nature of this mysterious force remains hidden. However, advancements in X-ray and radio astronomy allowed scientists to peer through the dense clouds of the Milky Way, providing a hazy yet intriguing glimpse of what lies behind it. To understand the significance of the Great Attractor, we need to step back and look at the bigger picture. The structure of the universe itself. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of the group of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, along with the Triangulum Galaxy and several smaller satellite galaxies. This total local group spans roughly 10 million light years across and is gravitationally bound, meaning the galaxies within it are influenced by each other's gravity. Beyond the local group lies the Virgo cluster, a massive collection of over 1,300 galaxies, about 65 million light years away. And this Virgo cluster is the heart of the Virgo supercluster, a large-scale structure that encompasses many galaxies, including our Milky Way and Andromeda. But the Virgo supercluster is not an isolated entity. Instead, it's part of an even larger structure known as the Laniakea supercluster, a vast network of galaxies spanning over 500 million light years. The flow of galaxies. What is the Great Attractor? The concept of the Great Attractor can be better understood by examining the way galaxies move through space. The universe is a hierarchical structure where small clumps of matter gradually merge to form larger ones. Over billions of years, galaxies have coalesced into clusters, and clusters have combined into superclusters, forming a cosmic web. The Great Attractor is not a single object, but rather a gravitational focal point. It's the center towards which galaxies in our region of the universe are being drawn. The Norma cluster, located deep within the zone of avoidance, is thought to lie near the center of this gravitational pull. The mass of the Great Attractor is estimated to be hundreds of trillions of times that of the Sun, making it a significant influence on the motion of galaxies in the Laniakea superstructure. Recent advancements in astronomical technology allowed scientists to better map the movements of galaxies in the vicinity of the Great Attractor, and by studying the velocities of galaxies and the flow of matter in the local universe, astronomers redefine what constitutes a supercluster. Instead of viewing superclusters as simple collections of galaxies, they now understand them as regions where galaxies flow towards a common center. The Laniakea supercluster, which includes our Milky Way, is one such structure, with the Great Attractor serving as a gravitational hub. This new understanding has provided valuable insights into the nature of dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up 27% of the universe, and plays a crucial role in holding galaxies together. The motion of galaxies towards the Great Attractor suggests that dark matter is a significant contributor to the gravitational pull in this region. And while the Great Attractor exerts a powerful gravitational influence, it's not the final destination for galaxies like the Milky Way. The universe is expanding, and this expansion is driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. Discovered in the late 1990s, dark energy accounts for about 68% of the universe's total energy, acting as a repulsive force, causing the universe to expand at an accelerated rate. And what does the Great Attractor mean for us? The Great Attractor may sound like a cosmic threat, but there's no need to worry about it causing the destruction of our galaxy. Its effects are spread over such vast distances and timescales that they're imperceptible for us on Earth. The gravitational pull of the Great Attractor is more of a gentle nudge than a cataclysmic force, influencing the large-scale notion of galaxies, but not posing a direct danger to life in the Milky Way. As we look deeper into the universe, the mysteries of the Great Attractor continue to inspire new questions. What lies beyond the Laniakea supercluster? How does dark energy shape the fate of superclusters in the universe? Ultimate destiny? The Great Attractor serves as a stepping stone in our quest to understand the cosmos, the puzzle piece, and the grand tapestry of space and time. The Great Attractor is a testament to the universe's complexity, a gravitational enigma that's captivated astronomers for decades. While it may never truly live up to its ominous name, the Great Attractor holds the key to understanding large-scale structures of the cosmos. It reminds us of the power of gravity and the ever-expanding nature of the universe driven by dark energy's mysterious influence. This is on Infinity Explorers by Anshu Vastava. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. My Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.